In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable Start Menu Web Search on Windows 11. So just go ahead to your search menu, type in Regedit, which is Regedit. After that, just click on Run as Administrator. And then after you click on that, the Regedit window will open up for you, as you can see. Now just click on H key Current User. After that, just go ahead, click on Software, and then scroll down to click on Policies. And then just go ahead, click on Microsoft. After that, just double click on Windows, and then just go ahead, rage click on it. After you right click on it, just click on New, and then click on Key. After that, just go ahead, type in Explorer, then hit Enter. Now on the same Explorer folder, go ahead to the right side, right click. And then after that, just scroll down, click on DWORD 32-bit value. After that, just go ahead, type in Disable Search Box Suggestions. After you do that, just hit Enter and then just double click on it. As you can see right now, after you double click on it, just go ahead to the value, type in 1, and then click on OK. And there you have it. This was how to disable Search Menu Web Search on Windows 11. As always, thank you for watching.